a weather statement. For the following counties in Indiana: Boone, Delaware, Hamilton, Hendricks, Madison, Marion, and Tipton. Winter storm warning in effect from 7 a.m. Saturday to 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time Sunday. Heavy snow expected. Total snow accumulations between 4 and 7 inches. The areas affected include portions of central, east central, north central, and west central Indiana. The hazardous conditions are expected from 7 a.m. Saturday to 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time Sunday. The following impacts are expected. Travel could be very difficult. Additional details: confidence on amounts is lowest along the I-70 corridor. If you must travel, keep an extra flashlight, food, and water in your vehicle in case of an emergency. The latest road conditions for the state you are calling from can be obtained by calling 511.
Phone on. Just turned off.